In this tutorial I will show you how to crop an image and finally have 3 images. You can print these 3 images and of course save them. Let's open the source file. Right-click on the thumbnail and add a splitter. An extra branch. Right-click on splitter and add a branch. Now you have 3 branches. From the transformation menu, select geometry. And then select crop. In the proportions drop-down menu, select 16 by 9. I just crop the left image and the result is shown in the rights. I repeat the process with the 2 other branches. And I choose in both cases 3 by 4 proportions. Thank you for watching. If you like it, then subscribe to new tutorials.